Ramp's Universal CSV setup is designed for accounting providers without a direct integration. With this flexible setup, you can easily import any field to code in Ramp, such as your chart of accounts, project codes, job numbers, and more, make coding required or optional for your employees, and customize your CSV export from Ramp so it's easier to import into your accounting provider. To ensure a smooth setup, please make sure before we import your chart of accounts and additional fields, you create a Ramp liability account in your accounting provider. A best practice here is keeping the name of this Ramp card. This liability account is usually a credit card type. That is where all of your credit card transactions will post to. Also, please make sure there are no duplicates in your chart of accounts or custom fields, or else our system will give you an error. To begin, you're going to navigate over to the Accounting tab on the left-hand side. Here, you can either select someone else, such as your accounting firm or bookkeeper, to set it up, or you could set it up yourself by clicking on Get Started Now. This is where you'll select which accounting provider you're going to integrate with. If you do not see your accounting provider on this list here, you can scroll all the way down, click on this drop down, and type over here to search for your accounting provider. If you do not see your accounting provider's name pop up like this, it'll still be a URL where you can click on it, like so. Today, I will be integrating with Bench. The next step is to click on Import Chart of Accounts, and this is where you're going to download this template. This template will include two columns, one labeled Segment ID, where you'll input your GL codes or account codes, and the other labeled Name, where you'll input your category name or description. If you do not have any account codes, you may leave the Segment ID column blank. Make sure you leave the headers Segment ID and Name in this import. Once you've filled out the template, you're going to save it and you're going to upload it over here. Once you've uploaded the completed file, it'll look like this, and you can give it a quick look and then click Save and Continue. Next, you're going to import your vendors into Ramp. Here, you'll download the same template with Segment ID and Name, and you'll enter in your vendor account codes and vendor names. Once you've completed that template, you're going to save it and upload it here. Once you give it a quick look, you could click Save and Continue. And now for additional fields. If you have any additional fields that you'd like to add, such as store locations or project codes, you could click on Import Additional Fields here. Over here where it says Name Your Field, you're going to enter in the name of the field. Next, you're going to choose a field type. Single select is great for a drop-down of options that will not change often, and text field is a freehand line of text, much like our memo, and this is good for situations where the options will change often. If you toggle on Required for Export, all transactions will need this field to be coded. So only do this if every single transaction will require this custom field. Next, you're going to download the same template that we used earlier with the Segment ID and the name columns. You're going to fill it out, save it, and upload it here. If you have any other fields to add, you could click Save and add another field, or you could click Save once you're done adding all of your fields. When you see this green check mark, your upload is complete. Select Start Coding Expenses to continue. You are ready to jump into Ramp and connect your account now.